I'm hearing another powerful video, and I just saw 777 right before pressing play. I'm hearing that this is about your energy, what is emanating out of you, the way you breathe. They feel God's presence. Everything you say, they feel God around you. You're so connected to the divine. You're a true prophet. You don't have a lot of friends at all. And it keeps coming, this energy of, it's not about isolation, because you've been isolated. Obviously, it was where you learned. It's more than how careful you are with your energy right now. Every word that you're speaking is for a purpose. You're not wasting anything. Your time. You're just so focused on your purpose right now. Nothing can stop you. This luck I'm tapping into, this 777 luck, is really connected to all the doors opening up for you right now. The right opportunities are finding you, but obviously because you've been doing the work, but it's more because God, big birds, confirmation. It's because you are becoming a temple for God, or for your gods. I'm hearing also to step in. You're purifying your entire system, and again, it's your way to welcome divine forces, because you're not alone. And this is a gentle reminder here, you're not alone. You're not supposed to do it alone. Never. You never were supposed to do anything by yourself. I'm hearing that you have a lot of people by your sides. It could be ancestors, and there's an emperor energy coming out. So you might be an emperor. There is an emperor around you or about to enter your life, and you can count on this person. Oh my goodness. I have peace, 3-3 on the timer. You're manifesting your peace. And I'm hearing si vis pacem parabellum, which is a Latin sentence who said, who wants the peace, prepare the war. You might have an equivalent in English, but this is how I translate it. And I do live for that sentence. If you want to achieve peace, you must conquer the demons. You must conquer the traumas. Otherwise, you think you're at peace, but people have control over you. Things have control over you. As soon as your traumas are still alive, I'm hearing, anything has power over you. When you are in control of what has been hurting you in the past, you becoming the water, you flowing, nothing can disturb your peace. The blockages are lifting again because you're very focused on this piece. If it's come right away and you see the sacred geometry, the Taurus attached to it, it's big. It's thank you for the confirmation on my phone. Personally, that's my priority. That's my biggest purpose, achievement, goal, dreams. It's just to be at peace. When you've been experiencing hell, you just have simple dreams. Don't get it twisted. I have huge dreams. But I love small details because I do believe this is where you find the most joy. Sharing a cup of tea, just preparing a cup of tea. I'm hearing trimming your plants, feeding your plants, watering your plants. You experiencing watching birds. I love animals, so just for me, like, you see, it's actually about these little things that you can tell that you are healing, because you're appreciating the small things. You're grateful for these small things that God, the Most High, is giving you the chance to observe every day. You're going through a massive, massive, massive change. Your perception is changing. I feel your energy. I feel you. I'm hearing detoxifying. You're detoxifying your body, and that's why the peace is taking place. You've been making an agreement with yourself. Everything that do not bring immediate joy to you, you're just immediately, it's disintegrating even in front of your eyes. Treasure check again. God, it's coming. I got change. There is massive change regarding your abundance. I'm telling you again, because you're vibrating at a certain frequency right now that is connected to the peace. And money, finances, abundance, structures, everything you came here to build, they love an individual that is at peace. You don't want to negotiate if you didn't find peace. Otherwise, the person in front of you will know what is your weakness. Ooh, that's the truth. My nose is itchy. I cannot. It's coming back. It keeps coming. What the F? Your soulmate is the key, or you have now the key to your soulmate, so they must be here or arrive very soon. Love season is here, so I'm praying for you to meet them, to meet your person. But the message is very powerful here. They're the key. And I'm talking to a twin flame relationship. By the way, you can check my website, because I'm offering a very powerful course downloads and activation for you, for your twin flame. If you're a light worker, if you want to work on your Kundalini, if you want to get a real masterclass to activate your highest timeline, check this out. Twin flame is your reflection. So it's very hard. The path of the twin flame is very hard, because you're like basically seeing each other, seeing yourself always. So you better love what you see. Therefore, you will love your soulmate. You will love yourself. This is the most complex yet most powerful relationship you can experience, I get. And this is everything connected to how to free yourself to your karmics, because your twin flame is not a karmic. They will help you remove the karmics. You see everything you can't see. Yours, thank you dog for the confirmation. They will help you unveil it. They will mirroring you, so you will be able to see how your karmic tricked you your entire life. Oh my goodness. Nature is your guide. Spend time in nature. Until next time, namaste.